Oh my god. Oh shit.
How can I help you? No problem. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, 1631, first window, please.
Copyright.
Oh,
bro.
shit. Shit.
Think with your brain,
Shit.
not your cock.
Shit. Shit.
They made the gearing in this car out of fucking Happy Meals.
Happy Meal gearing. We have to brake. Oh, shit.
This is a yacht. We talk about we have to brake. What an amateur, guys. What an amateur. What the fuck?
We're going to the, this is the, you work for the parts department? Ford?
Yeah, totally. I'm the fucking Uber of parts now in a Miata because gas has gotten too expensive. Can you go out that way? No. Get some POV driving.
You're making right at that light up there. Some long, rusty headers for the Mustang.
Long boob.
The welds right there look amazing. I already looked at those on.
Why is that
He
cut?
tried cutting it off. I'm gonna fix this. It's gonna look good.
Miata content. It's your fault. Do I go or does he go?
You go. Oh. You're driving a Miata. We're driving a
I'm driving a Miata. What the
Why the
hell?
fuck would I go to Whole Foods and spend $10 on a fucking cucumber?
You gotta get the APR up, bro. You gotta get the
I need a finance when I go to Whole Foods.
You gotta finance the food, bro. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I can't believe you drive through that fucking thing on your way.
Wham-bow, 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 wow. Wham-bing-bing-bong. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, shit.
How can I help you? No problem. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, 1631, first window, please.
What the fuck is it called? It's called a fucking...
Gator fries are
No, but the drink you were
It
getting.
was a fucking regular Sprite. Fucking
You said lemon Sprite.
I was looking at the lemonade and my fucking brain decided to shut off.
See, you made me sound like an idiot now.
You literally
want a
look
hand
like
job?
a fucking idiot.
VTech.
Am I good on this up here? Yeah, just so I have better.
Are you not wrapping your head around that yet? That this Grand Marquis motor is getting manual swapped and put in a Mustang. It seems like, what the fuck is going on in Ohio? Here you go. Here you go.
What you have on? Hold still. Hold still. Hold still.
Oh my god.
POV your Robbie shoulder.
Oh my god.
POV your Robbie. Hey yo.
Bro, whenever you try to fart, bro, you never have it. Just don't. What?
The Yada keys.
I don't even know where they're at, bro.
What?
I don't have them.
Bullshit.
I'm dead ass. I don't have them in my pocket. I don't have them in my pocket. I don't have them in my pocket. I gotcha.
Oh.
Oh, did you really? Ryan said the shit.
We're at Wingstop. I got us Louisiana Sienna rum fries, and I got 15.
I'm gonna spit in your mouth.
What kind of porn are you watching?
But he's like, how does he drink? He's like,
There you go. Yep.
GTA.
Oh, this is so bad. I do not trust this at all. Oh, this is so bad. I don't trust.
You gotta find him. How is he gonna? Where is he?